Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we will read our English reader book, New Oxford Modern English. Take out page number 99, lesson 13, The House of Sand. Now what is in this story? There are two main characters in this story, Shekhar and Balu. Both are friends. Let us start our reading and understand the story. Look at our fine house, cried Shekhar. It's the finest house on the beach, replied Balu, and we made it. The two boys sat on the sand and looked at the house. It was built of sand and palm leaves. There was a little wall all around it and a tall tower in the middle. So children, both the friends build a house with sand and palm leaves, and they both are very happy to see their sand house. It's a good house, said Balu. But look at the sea. The water is getting closer. Our house will be washed away. Then we can make another one, said Shekhar with a smile. Some weeks after this, Shekhar went away. His parents sent him to a school high up in the hills. After few weeks, Shekhar went away for higher studies and Balu stayed back. Can I go too, father? Said Balu to his father. No, my boy, you can't go. I am old. I have no money to send you away to school. So Shekhar went away and Balu stayed behind. Balu stayed by the beach. He went to a small school for a few years, but his family was poor. Balu left school and went to work. He worked hard but did not earn much money. So children, Balu stayed behind. He left his school because his family was very poor and he started working, but he did not earn much money. Shekhar stayed at his school in the hills. When he grew older, he went to college. He too went to work. The years went by. Shekhar became very rich. Now, Shekhar became very rich. He also started working. One day, Shekhar returned to the beach. He walked along the beach. A man came towards him. Balu, is that you? Asked Shekhar. Shekhar, cried Balu. The two old friends hugged each other. Now Shekhar became very rich. One day he returned to the beach. There he found his childhood friend Balu. Both the friends hugged each other and they start remembering their sand house. Do you remember our sand house? Asked Shekhar. Yes, said Balu. Shall we build a real house? Asked Shekhar. But I have no money, said Balu. Now Shekhar said to the Balu, shall we build a real house? But Balu said that he had no money. I have money, said Shekhar. They sat on a rock and watched the boat sailing far, far away. 6 months later, their house was ready. It's a fine house, said Balu. The sea cannot wash it away. Now, what happened? Shekhar build a real house for them, for Balu and for himself also. Now the children, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that we should not forget our best friend, whatever circumstances is there. Like Shekhar, we should also prefer our friendship rather than money. So children, read this lesson and try to understand. Okay, thank you.